Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everyone's doing great out there today. Today I have a few gel polishes that were sent to me by Modelones earlier in the year. This one is from the Charming Dots collection. I have only one coat of it on, and this is number 23. I figured I'm just going to do some light fall kind of inspired design over top. This is from Modelones Secret Garden collection. Number 27. I'll link both collections down below for your convenience. I'm thinking about putting some of this beautiful terracotta orange as an accent. I've just got some stickers here, some bling here, and I'm just going to go for it and hope that I like what I'm doing. So I was thinking just to take some of these stickers. I'm going to start with my thumb. So I'm going to use the bigger one and just put them on. And if you have like the She Modern decals they're in curves, that would work amazingly well probably too. I just figured I just want a touch of orange on my nails. So I figured I'm just going to figure out a way to block off part of my nail and put orange in between the stickers. I didn't like how that came up, so I'm just picking it up. Placing it again. And I did wipe off all of the sticky layer with some nail cleanser. I think I like that one. And anything that sticks past the edge of your nail, you're going to need to cut off. But so far, I haven't had that. So I've got a wide space there. I wasn't sure if I was going to have a wide space or narrow space, so I put a little bit out on a palette. And I'm thinking, since there's so many different sizes, I'm going to go up and down in size depending on my fingernail size, just for some variety. And I'm going to just mix and match what I'm doing a little bit. So this one I could probably use the brush that came with it, but most of these I'm going to have to touch it up with the little brush. I did a couple, so maybe I could put some of the yellow, number 25 from Secret Garden, in here as well. So let's see how good I do. And I have to hold my chubby sidewalls down. Kind of pushing it up to, I've never done this with stickers before, like color blocking with stickers. I'm just pushing it up to the sticker and hoping I don't go over. Any point did you think you've got it perfect, just go ahead and cure it. It's really hard for me right now to cure it. Doing a video and all. I'm probably going to put 2 coats on of every color, just so that I covered, well, made it opaque enough for what I'm wanting it to look like. Okay, I'm going to give this a cure since it's my thumb. You can also smooth out any areas where you have too much color and you need it in another area. Just kind of pull and drag it into the area. And 2 little birdies near me, for some reason they're not scratching each other's feathers right. Something is going on. I'm not sure. They're just fussy, fussy, fussies. I'm gonna give this a cure. I'm just gonna go on and fill the rest in, much in the same manner. Okay, I'm gonna give these a cure and a second coat if needed. I'd recommend doing only one color at a time because you'll get like this. So do as I say, not as I do. I'm gonna touch it up with a second coat on some of these, and I'm coming back and put some blings on. And I got out 2 different kinds of gems. I'm not sure which ones I want to use. I wasn't sure what colors I was going to use, so I'm just going to go for it. I have my Modelones top coat. I would recommend on each nail, once you have the placement down, go ahead and at least flash cure it. Otherwise, you'll have flooding of the cuticles. And if you're feeling any texture on your nail, you can always flip it over. Let the top coat form kind of an apex and kind of check it out. If in doubt, you can always do a second coat, right? I'm just gonna put a couple little ones here. Put it wherever you want, whatever you want to do. I'll do it right in the middle. I'm gonna give this just a flash cure. I mean, that's all I did, flash cure. And then you'll completely cure it after you're done. That's the way I like to do it. Clear gels, you can get away with that. And I'll make sure that I have all of the sticker top coated in. This is my first time in years not using any peel off base whatsoever. So I was glad that I actually liked what I did. It's a little scary putting that right there because that's where the 2 stickers overlap. But if I'm having trouble, I can put a little bit of caviar beads around. Caviar beads just seem to really hold it in place. I may do that. So I'm thinking I'm going to keep these for at least a month, depending on what my little feather babies do. I forgot to double check my stickers that they were completely flat when I put them in the lamp, but they seem to be very flat. I have just a tiny little dot right here. So I'm just going to put a little top coat on this way to make sure I have it secured around that sticker that's sticking up so that I don't want to peel it off. Stick a little gemmy gem right there. It would have probably been best for me to have gotten rid of the sticker first before I cured it, but I wasn't sure. No, that just seems like too much. You know, sometimes it just seems like too much. So anybody, do you like how that I'm doing my videos now where I don't show you me opening the bottles? I'm not sure how you like that. I cut it out or I opened them previously. Some people said that already have noticed that and they really enjoy that. Let me know down in the comments. I mean, you know, like struggling to find something, like right out and do it now. I'm sitting here playing with the gem that I didn't use. I'm gonna, if there's something hilarious that I did, I'm gonna leave it in. But if it's just me opening a polished bottle, I don't really see where everybody wants to see that all the time. If you want to see it some of the times, let me know. I'll include it. I mean, why not? And do as the viewers would like. Especially when you watch my swatching videos. Those are ones completely different than when I'm doing my nails. Okay, give all these a 30-second cure and then I'm gonna do my thumb. I decided to get out some of the tiniest caviar beads that I have. I didn't even realize they're that small. I put them in some top coat just to help hold the gems on because my little buddy here, he loves to pull the gems off. So I'm gonna try to give him a little bit of a challenge in this. I actually cut out the time that it took me to dump the gem or the caviar out and the time that, you know, I mixed it up. I figured that if you watch me regularly, you would know how I do that. And I just figured you don't like to see that every single video. that I use caviar beads on. If you want to see more of it or a dedicated video to that, just let me know. See, I mixed it up right here. And they're little tiny little things. So I'm just going to see if I can get them to... I've never used them this tiny before. Just going to see if I can just get... They're so tiny. Oh my goodness. See if I can get them to help hold on some of these gems. They may actually attract him even more. My eyes are going buggy on me. I'm gonna get these in place and cure them. I should have did one gem at a time, or the gems cured it and then did the beads. So I'm gonna get this all finished up. My eyes are going buggy on me. Thank you for everyone for being here with me today. Wish me luck on matching up my right hand in some sort of kind of matchup. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for the reveal pictures at the end of the video. So next time you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.